so today I'm going to be reviewing the Pur Minerals Holiday Collection. I have a few brushes: powder brush, blush brush, utility brush, eyeshadow, and there's a lip brush in here, and they're all labeled, so in case there's novices out there, you don't have to be confused about which brush to use. There's a couple of different things that are part of their holiday collection. They have the blush palette, which has 3 colors in it. There's the Pur Minerals eyeshadow, which features 15 colors for the holiday, so kind of something for every occasion. There are 3 liners and also 3 glosses. So my experience so far with Pur Minerals has been very positive. I've tried out their eyeshadow and their foundation as well. I actually happen to like the foundation quite a bit, and because it's made with Pur Minerals, I don't really worry about it clogging my pores, which is something that I normally worry about with my usual foundations because I have very sensitive skin. But just to start off, let's start off with some color from the blush palette. I'm going to put it on a little bit darker than what I would normally wear, just because sometimes these video things don't show colors as well as I need them to. Alright, so let me just finish up here with the color, and hopefully you guys can see it. Alright, so that's the cheek color, the blushes, well, one of the blushes, and I used this one right here that has several colors blended in, so I just kind of mixed them together. Now, as far as the shadow goes, use my shadow brush, and I'm going to pick something that's maybe a little darker so that you can see it. So you can kind of see from there, right, the eyeshadow. I liked it because it went on very smooth. It didn't really clump up in one spot. It was very easy to blend. So that's always a plus with my eyeshadows. I hate when I try to put on the eyeshadow and it seems like the pigment just stays in one spot. But as you can see, as I'm applying it, it just kind of goes on and distributes very evenly, which I think is something everybody's looking for in shadow. Alright, so there's my eyeshadows. And again, there's 15 colors to choose from. I just picked one that was kind of dark so that you could see it and how it comes on. And then we have liners that are mineral liners, and I've actually never used a mineral liner before, so I think this is kind of neat. And it says that they're self-sharpening, so you don't have to worry about sharpening them. Again, I'm just picking a color that's kind of dark so that you can see how it goes on. And this is a very fine point liner, so those of you who like a fine tip, it's probably right up your alley. And just to get a little bit closer so you can see it. So, between the two, I like the eyeshadow a lot, and this is not my first time using the eyeshadow. And the blush as well. The lip color, I've never used the mineral lip color, so this is a first. So that is the mineral lip color in Sheer Crystal. A few things to note about mineral makeup. One, there's no preservatives or additives added to it, so it's not supposed to clog pores. I think something that you'll probably notice right off the bat is that it doesn't have a fragrance to it. It has a smell, but it's just kind of a plain regular smell. It doesn't have a perfumey or a cupcake smell, so that's something that's probably different if you're used to using other brands, like for instance MAC. All of the products are cruelty free, so the brushes are cruelty free. The eyeshadow I think is very pigmented, which is great because nobody really wants to buy a dull eyeshadow. You buy eyeshadow because you want it to stand out. And like I said, it blends very evenly, so you don't have to worry about clumping or smearing. The blush palette, I like